If your GMC Acadia with the 3.6-liter engine is refusing to start, we are going to narrow down the cause in 2 minutes. Statistically, nearly half of all no-start conditions on these GM platforms are caused by simple battery or terminal connection issues. Before you call a tow truck, let's run through a systematic diagnosis to find the culprit. Start by verifying your battery voltage and checking those side post terminals for any hidden corrosion that blocks current. The starter motor and the vapor canister purge valve are two of the most frequent hardware failures on the Acadia. Since these are gasoline direct injection engines, a failing high-pressure fuel pump can also prevent the engine from firing up. Most electrical issues are DIY-friendly, but internal timing issues or computer programming will require a professional shop. Repair costs vary wildly. From a $60 valve, you can change yourself to an $800 fuel pump. Try shifting into neutral or using a spare key to rule out the neutral safety switch or a bad transponder chip. You can solve most of these issues with a basic socket set and a simple code reader. Remember to always check the simplest solutions first, as a loose cable is far more common than a total engine failure. If this helped you get your Acadia started, hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting playbooks.